Today we'll take a look at the VEVOR fireplace. So we do have instructions. And this actually has a lid for it. So that's nice. So we can lock that to the fireplace so we don't have to worry about this thing blowing away. And we actually got some lava rocks in the bottom. So this is a propane fire pit. So if you want the benefit of a fire pit, but you don't have to worry about gathering logs, putting them in there, and then trying to start the fire, this is going to be an excellent way of getting that same experience, but much easier. It's actually a fairly decent size too. So we have a fairly long hose on here, so if you need to put your propane far away from it, you can do that. And it says this is 5/16 and it is for liquid propane gas. So here's our connector for our propane gas, and it does have a regulator pre-installed. So it looks like we got some larger rocks and we got some smaller rocks. So start out by putting the larger rocks in, and then we'll dump the smaller ones on top of it. We just kind of want to spread this out. We want to try to get it so it is not covering up these ports. Okay. And that is pretty cool looking. So right now we are on low. Got plenty of heat coming off of that guy. Take that up to high. We got quite a bit more. So you can adjust that to whatever your fancy is. But that is a very nice looking fire pit. And when we're done, that is pretty cool. So if you're looking for a nice portable fire pit, that'll be an excellent option.